The 5 Cycles of Earth, Mysteries of the Maya. Let's journey through time and space as we unravel the mysteries of the Maya's vision of Earth's cycles. From the dawn of creation to the prophesied future, this captivating documentary dives deep into the ancient knowledge of one of the most advanced civilizations in history. Through the lens of modern discoveries and ancient wisdom, witness how the Maya believe the world has been born and destroyed multiple times, with incredible lessons for humanity. Deep in the heart of Mesoamerica, the Maya civilization flourished. Known for their advancements in astronomy, mathematics, and architecture, the Maya also developed a profound understanding of time and cycles. According to their sacred texts, Earth itself was not a permanent creation but had been reborn 5 times, each cycle ending in catastrophe. But why? And what can their stories teach us? In the beginning there was the first cycle, or the Age of Giants. According to the Maya, the gods created beings of massive proportions. They roamed the earth, towering over landscapes, but their brute strength was matched only by their ignorance. They failed to honor the gods, and for their hubris the gods brought forth great floods. The cycle ended in devastation, wiping the giants from the face of the earth. The cycle had ended, but the gods were not done yet. From the ashes of this first world they would try again. Next came the Age of Clay Men. The gods molded humans from clay, fragile and weak, yet animated with life. But like the giants before them, these beings failed to thrive. They were incomplete, crumbling in the rains and withering under the sun. The earth was once again unfit for life, and the gods sent fierce hurricanes and storms to wipe the slate clean. Another attempt, another failure. But the gods would not give up. Undeterred, the gods embarked on a third creation, the Age of Wooden Men. These beings were more resilient, crafted from the forest themselves, and for a time they thrived. But with hearts of wood, they lacked soul, emotion, and connection to the divine. The gods saw that these hollow beings could not fulfill their purpose, and so they sent fire and earthquakes to bring this world to an end. A world of wood reduced to ash as the gods prepared for their next creation. Then came the fourth attempt, the Age of the Corn People. This time the gods crafted beings from maize, the sacred crop of the Maya. The Corn People were the first to connect deeply with the divine, giving thanks through ritual and ceremony. They built great cities, studied the stars, and flourished for generations. But as time passed, even they began to lose their way. Droughts ravaged the land, and their devotion to the gods faded. Thus, the fourth cycle ended as the gods decided to reset the earth once more. Now, we live in the fifth cycle, the age of the current world. According to the Maya, this cycle was born from the mistakes of the past but carries the wisdom of the previous ages. The Maya believed that each cycle brought lessons that should guide us. But this fifth cycle is not eternal. The Maya predicted that it too will end, and how it ends will depend on the choices humanity makes. In their ancient texts, the Maya warned of an imbalance in the natural world, where greed, disconnection from the earth, and disrespect for the divine would bring about the next great collapse. But they also left a message of hope. The gods gave humans free will, the power to change their fate. Today we are rediscovering the Maya's extraordinary understanding of time and cycles. Their stories serve not just as myths but as warnings, messages encoded in stone, waiting to be understood. If we are to prevent the end of the fifth cycle, we must heed the lessons of the past. The cycles of Earth are not just Maya mythology, they are reminders of humanity's place in a delicate balance. As we face environmental challenges, social upheaval, and a rapidly changing world, we must ask ourselves, are we honoring the balance the Maya spoke of, or are we headed toward the end of another cycle? The choice is ours. The wisdom of the Maya echoes through time, reminding us that we are the stewards of this world. If we listen closely, perhaps we can ensure that this cycle doesn't end like the ones before.